Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop incoming calls on iPhone. First of all, you want to click on settings. Simply go ahead and click on the settings menu on the home page on your iPhone. Next, you want to scroll down and click on focus. Then you want to click on do not disturb in the focus section. Then you want to click on people in the allowed notification section there. Then you want to click on the calls from section. Then just make sure that the button where it says no one is ticked, and also turn off allow repeat calls. You want to be black, that's going to be turned off, so allow our p scores to be black, and then no one in the phone call section. So that's how it's done there for the majority, but also you need to click on the do not disturb for it to be activated. So if you want to turn off or do not disturb to kind of turn this little mode on, what you want to do is press up from the bottom, so kind of press and hold the iPhone screen, scroll it up, and then click on do not disturb section. You can click on or off within there quite easily. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.